I'm Tamas and Tomoko. I'm the joint head chef of the restaurant Roji in London. Roji is situated in the back alley of South Morton Street. We wanted this location to be a bit hidden away to give a bit more intimate feel to the restaurant.
主人のタマスとともに料理長を務めております長谷川智子です。お任せは何かとお客様に聞かれることが多いのですが、お任せとは簡単に言うとあなたにお任せするという意味で、シェフの腕に任せて料理を提供してもらうことです。季節の食材を使い、ほんの一握りのゲストのために用意された料理はとても特別なことで、また私たちにとってもその特別な日に私たちのレストランを選んでくれたことはとてもありがたいことです。
So we work with many established suppliers, farmers, fishmongers. We're getting fish from Dorset, directly from a farm. So the inspiration would always come with the seasons. We would see what's available at the time, and we would get the produce. We would decide which would be the best way to prepare them. We have this scallop tempura dish. They call it an isobeage. Isobeage means there is seaweed wrapped around it before it's been fried. We put some seasonings, salt with 3 cornered leeks, and there are also some sea urchin powder to enhance the umami flavor, and to have a little refreshment, we have a touch of lemon as well in there.
マグロ大トロのわら焼きは寿司コースの最後を飾る寿司になります。もともとカツオのわら焼きが好きで、どこかコースの中に取り入れたかったのですが、カツオがイギリスでは手に入りにくいのと、私たちが使っているマグロの大トロは日本のマグロと比べて味が濃いので、わら焼きのフレーバーとよく合います。ぜひ皆さんに試してほしいですね。
We serve this otoro with some crispy seaweed. This time, as it's sea urchin season, we add a touch of sea urchin, and we use our homemade grain mustard to top it. So we're always looking at ways how to utilize ingredients to their full potential by not taking shortcuts during the preparation. We believe that would result in a much better outcome. That is what would lead to the happiness of our customers.